participants, we also provided them a separate email ID. We received beautiful posters from different states along with 1 minute video explaining the theme of poster. In total, we got 150 approx registrations. We were amazed to see the creations of bright minds shut down in their homes. It was evident from the poster content that the competition has provoked students to think about the current COVID-19 crisis and express it through their creativity. The posters acknowledge the great contribution of people from all different walks of life. These gratifying posters were judged on 20th June 2021 through Google Meet. Today we are here to announce the final result. The first two winners will be awarded and rest of the participants will get e-certificate for the participation. Now I would like to call upon the person who shows us the footpath to make this event a great success by his guidance and knowledge. Now I request HOD IT Department Dr. Mahesh Sharma sir to please acknowledge us with your kind words. Sir.
Uh, thank you, Rupali ma'am. Thank you for your kind words and giving this opportunity. So good morning to everyone. I, Dr. Mahendra Sharma, on the behalf of Department of Information Technology, uh, taken opportunity to welcome by today's chief guest, Professor Dr. Gaurav Sinha sir, Director Engineering. Good morning, sir, and welcome in today's valedictory session of departmental major activity poster presentation based on the theme on the impact of COVID-19 on human life. Sir, I also like to say thanks to Dr. Gaurav sir for sparing time from his busy schedule. Sir, IMT College of Engineering Greater Noida recognized the current crisis which the humanity is facing. In these times, an effort was made to nurture the social, emotional, and academic competence of the student community. IIMT College of Engineering, Department of Information Technology organized a poster making competition on the impact of COVID-19 on human life. So, the objective of the competition was to make students adaptive to create a platform for participants to showcase activity in a pandemic situation, to know the level of awareness among the message about COVID-19, to make people aware of COVID-19 related scientific informations. Sir, I would like to confirm over here that around 150 students are registered from different states and different places, out of which good numbers of the submissions participants submitted their posters, and out of that we selected top five. After that, we filtered the top two best entries that will be awarded with some cash award, smart cash awards. So COVID-19 has affected day-to-day life and is slowing down the global economy. This pandemic has affected thousands of pupils who are either sick or being killed due to the spread of this disease. This being a new viral disease affecting humans for the first time. COVID-19 has rapidly affected our day-to-day life, business, disturbance, the world trade and movements. The various industries and sectors are affected by the causes of this disease. This virus creates significant knock-on effects on the daily life of citizens as well as about the global economy. Presently, the impact of COVID-19 in daily life are extensive and have far-reaching consequences. These can be divided in various categories. We can say healthcare center where high burden of the functioning of the existing medical systems. Patients with other disease and health problems are getting neglected. Overload on doctors and other healthcare professionals who are at a very high risk. Overloading of medical shops, requirement of high protection disturbance of medical supply chain, as well as affected the economic also, like slowing of manufacturing of essential goods, disturb the supply of chain of products, losses in national and international business, poor cash flow in the market, significant slowing down in the revenue growth. Not only economic, we can say that also, sir, COVID-19 affected the social activities also. Service sector is not being able to provide their proper services. Cancellation or postponement of large scale sports and tournaments, avoiding the national and international traveling, and cancellation of services, disturbance of celebration of cultural, religious, and festival events, undue stress among the population, social distancing with our peer and family members, closure of the hotels, restaurant, and religious places. So we can say also closure of the places for entertainment such as movie and play theaters, sports clubs, gyms, swimming pool, etc. Postponement of the examinations also. So all these are the impact of the COVID-19 on human life, which we shown during in past 1.5 year. So taking care of all these things, so we decided to conduct a major activity on the department level, where we decided to conduct a poster presentation taking care of this thing. Sir, here I request you kindly grant the permission to start the session. Also request to say a few words on this occasion. Sir.
Thank you, Mahendra ji. And it's a great pleasure for me to be a part of this valedictory function. And actually, these kind of programs, they like this poster competition. They are, they are organized in order to provide a platform to the students where they can showcase their talents, their innovation, their skills, and it is going to benefit them in getting job opportunities in the future as well. And very rightly said by you that this pandemic has caused great damage to each and every person. It has affected the life of each and every student, but there are some positive things which we should learn from this pandemic. Many new opportunities being created by this pandemic, and in the coming times we are going to see that there will be a lot of opportunities in the fields related to creativity, related to innovation. And there is a huge mass of students who are studying now in engineering colleges, and they belong to the families who are from the job background, from service class families, and they want to do some business, they want to do some entrepreneurship in the coming time. So to them there is a blessing in disguise. So they will get new opportunities with some innovation, with some a little twist in the current existing businesses. They can do very well. And believe me, if you dream about something big, then your dream do come true. So this is a message from my side to all the students, that show your innovation, show your creativity, and regularly take part in such kind of competitions wherever you get a chance. And we always intend to upgrade the skill of each and every student of our institute using the latest research and technologies. We all know that technology, innovation, these are the prime movers of any society, any kind of society. And if we talk about economic development also, then all economic developments, they rely on the technologies and innovations being done by the people. And it will help, it will lead to the development of the nation as well. So it is, a great thing which you are doing. It's a great, platform for the students to show their innovations, to show their talent. And I hope, I believe it's going to be wonderful today, this valedictory function. So all the best to all the participants from my side, and let's begin this show. Thank you.
Uh, Thank you, sir. Rupali ma'am, kindly proceed.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for your wonderful and the motivational words, which really enlightened our day. So now, if you request, then let's start the program, sir. Uh,
Yeah.
go on.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Please, please
So,
go ahead.
thank you, sir. So now I request Rajni Singh, ma'am, to please come and say few words about your judgment criteria. Rajni, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Good morning, respected director, sir, and Dean, sir, and HOD, sir, and all the faculty members. I, Rajni Singh, Assistant Professor, IT Department, IMT College of Engineering, and I'm very thankful to HOD, sir, and our event coordinator, Ms. Rupali, ma'am, and Vishwas Chandra, sir, to giving me this opportunity to being a internal jury. So we all are three jury members in our team. One is our external jury, and she is Aparna Sharma, ma'am, and she is from HIMT group of institutions. So basically, and one our internal jury member is Mr. Anand Yadav, sir, and I also. So our judgmental criteria is based on the 4 parameters, and each parameter has some marks. And so these parameters are those, basically the poster should be relevant to the theme, the poster should have some originality, and the poster have some artistic composition, and in accordance with that, the poster should have to be given submit in the given instructions. So on the basis of that, we actually we have got a lot of posters, and all have very good work, and they have showed a very grateful and artistic work. But as per the rule, we have to select a few select the few posters. So basically those are the top 5 posters. So on the basis of that, we conclude top 5 posters, and those poster basically we have selected on these criteria as per the given.
Thank
So
thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. Uh,
thank you, ma'am.
we have 2 participants for the certificate preparation, and that is Miss Aruna Singh and Mr. Lakshman Singh, sir. Those who worked hard for preparing all these certificates. So now,
Rupali ma'am, sorry to interrupt you. I happy to announce that now Rana sir has joined to us. So kindly welcome to Rana sir.
okay. Uh, sir, I think he's not here.
He tried, he was there in the meeting, but I think again he's out of the meeting.
Yes, sir. Sir, right now we don't have Rana sir with us.
Okay, continue.
Okay.
Please continue.
Okay, continue.
Yes, sir.
The moment sir will join now, so stop the session and welcome first to sir and give opportunity to say few words. After that, we will continue in the same manner.
Yes, sir. Now we have Rana sir with us. Very good
Yes.
morning.
Welcome, sir. Rana,
Sir,
sir,
good morning and welcome.
welcome you.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Saab.
Sir,
sir,
request you to say few words. 2 शब्द चाहेंगे आपकी तरफ से स्टूडेंट्स के लिए आज के वैलिडिक्टरी फंक्शन में पोस्टर कंपटीशन.
आनंद सर फर्स्ट स्लाइड ला दीजिएगा प्लीज.
Yeah, thank you so much, Dr. Gaurav Sinha Sahab. And of course, thank you so much, Dr. Mahendra ji. It's my immense pleasure to deliver some words just related to this event. Definitely to all dignitaries assembled here and all. basically, I would like thanks to our Director Sahab, Shri Gaurav Sinha ji, for giving me this opportunity. And I would like to thanks definitely the head of the department, Dr. Mahendra ji, all the members, all the organizing members of this event. And my blessings is always with you. And you can proceed the function. God bless you to all. And once again, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. And it's our privilege to have you today with us in our validatory session. So if you request, then we will be proceeding further with our today's process.
Yes, with the instruction of Honorable Director Sahab, we can proceed. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Gaurav, sir, if you permit us, then we should we proceed further?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Please proceed.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Rupali ma'am, I request kindly give the a brief overview about the activities, as Rana sir joined us quite late.
Okay, sir. So let me brief out the event. The main purpose of this event is that we have conducted an online poster making competition. Basically, the purpose is to bring out the creative expression of the students and also to gauge their awareness on ongoing pandemic. The theme taken up for online poster competition was impact of COVID-19 on human life. And the student participated very actively to showcase their artistic skills through an array of posters on the given topic. So our basically aim is to motivate our students so that they will be out of this pandemic, right? So this is the brief of today's event. So let's proceed further with our upcoming activities.
Yes.
I also request to Rajini ma'am. I also request kindly give brief about the evaluation systems and the jury member.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine, sir.
Come on that slide.
Good morning. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. I am Rajni Singh, Assistant Professor IT Department, IMT College of Engineering, and I am very thankful to HOD sir and all our event coordinator, Ms. Rupali ma'am and Vishwas Chandra sir. So in our jury team, we are 3 members. One is our external member, and she is Aparna Sharma ma'am, and she is working as an assistant professor in HIMT College, Greater Noida. And she was throughout the judgment session. Basically, our judgment criteria based on some parameters, and those parameters are the poster should be relevant to the theme, the poster should have originality, the poster should have artistic composition, and the poster should be submitted in accordance to the given instruction. So on the basis of that, we have reached to the conclusion. So we are 2 internal jury member here. One is Mr. Anand Yadav sir, and I also in the jury team. So on the basis of those parameters, basically we reached to the conclusion. Actually, we have received lots of posters, and those posters have very good and shows their very artistic work. So on the basis of that, we reached to our top 5 entries of the posters.
Anand, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your kind words. Now I request Anand sir to please start with the top 5 contestants so that we will show everyone. I think everyone is very excited to know all those winners' name. And here we have top 5 participants. So let us start with first participant. Anand sir, please play the video so that everybody comes to know.
Impact of COVID on human life. पहला है इम्पैक्ट ऑन इकोनॉमी, किस तरीके से इकोनॉमी रेट जो है वो डिक्रीज हुई है. यहाँ एक छोटा सा सेक्शन दिखाया गया है जहाँ पे डॉक्टर्स, कॉमन मैन, फोर्सेस जो है वो हेल्प करें ताकि कोरोना स्प्रेड ना हो। ये जो सेक्शन आप देख रहे हो ये लॉकडाउन का सेक्शन है, किस तरीके से लॉकडाउन पूरे वर्ल्ड को फेस करना पड़ा। यहाँ पे डॉक्टर्स फोर्सेस जो है वो हेल्प कर रहे हैं कोरोना को स्प्रेड ना होने से। ये सेक्शन दिखाता है इम्पैक्ट ऑन माइग्रेंट लेबर, किस तरीके से लेबर्स को गरीब लोगों को पैदल अपने घर जाना पड़ा, थाउजेंड्स ऑफ किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करना पड़ा। ये सेक्शन जो है वो स्टार्विंग पुअर्स को दिखाता है, किस तरीके से गरीब जो थे वो उन्होंने छोटे मोटे काम करके अपने पेट भरे हैं। फिर ये सेक्शन जो है छोटा सा वो वर्क फ्रॉम होम को इंडिकेट करता है। ये जो सेक्शन है इम्पैक्ट ऑन एनवायरनमेंट, यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा सेक्शन आप देख सकते हो। ये सेक्शन जो है वो लॉकडाउन से पहले का है, किस तरीके से लॉकडाउन से पहले हमारे इन्वायरमेंट पे असर पड़ रहा था, पॉल्यूटेड हो रहा था, बट आफ्टर लॉकडाउन वो इन्वायरमेंट जो है हमारा वो क्लीन हो गया। और यहाँ मैंने लिखा है बी काइंड टू द एनवायरमेंट। सो दिस इज माय ओवरऑल प्रेजेंटेशन। थैंक यू।
This is our first participant. Now let's move to the second participant. Sir, now please play the video.
Good morning, guys. This is Manish Kumar from IP College Campus 2, Bulandshahr, and I have decided to design a poster on the impact of COVID-19 on human life, which is divided into 6 parts. The first part explains the closing of schools and switching of education towards the online platform. The second one is the closing of temples, malls, and other shops, due to which there is no option available of shopping and no option for darshan in temples. The third one is the mental which we are facing now is due to COVID-19. The fourth one is the hunger and poverty due to COVID-19. The fifth one is due to lockdown, there is poor economic conditions, and the last but not the least, employment, which is one of the major impact of COVID-19 on human life. Thank you and have a nice day.
This was our second participant. Now let's move to the third participant. This one is our best third participant. So please play the video.
Impact of COVID-19 in human life. Studying work from home, this is the first impact and the main impact. Job, there is no job. Actually, lots of jobs. Vaccination is compulsory. Economy is down because nobody doing their job. Economy is down. Social distancing, sanitizer, wash your hands, pollution decrease, wear mask, friend friend circle is decrease and family increase. I think pollution and family love is the advantage of COVID because they share time with families, so family love are increased and friend circle are decreased because hang out outside the home and so much friends are so much pupils lose their friends. The school shopping all are closed. So,
So this was our third best participant. Now let's move to the next presentation. This is fourth participant. So please play the video.
Hello everyone, my name is Vikas Tiwari and I am from IMT College of Science and Technology, which is based on of COVID-19 in human life. COVID-19 has affected daily life and is slowing down the global economy. This pandemic has affected thousands of people. That's why we should always wash our hand. In the corona period, people got the essential items of the house facing. So stay safe. Thank you.
This was our fourth participant. Now let's move to the fifth participant. Sir, please play the video.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Vishal Saini. So, my theme is impact of COVID-19 on human life. Human life पर बहुत impact पड़ा है हमारे COVID-19 से, जैसे कि हमारे environment पर positive पड़ा है, जैसे कि हमारे environment हमारी नदियाँ बिल्कुल हो चुकी थी, क्योंकि हमारा बहुत important है। हमारा impact हमारे जितने कॉलेजेस इंस्टीट्यूट वगैरह थे वो सब हो चुके थे, और हमारी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रही थी, जिससे कि करके सब किसी तरह कर रहा था, और ऐसे हमारी कंपनीज वगैरह कुछ बंद हो चुका था, जो हमारे वर्कर्स को अपने गए थे, और तो जॉब हो चुकी थी। इससे मतलब जो हमारी कंपनीज थी उनको भी बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान हुआ। थैंक यू।
This was our top 5 participants. Now I think everyone is very excited to know the top 2 candidates, those who actually win this competition. So here we are just about to announce the name of those 2 top candidates. Sir, please showcase their name. Yes. See, here we have top 2 participants. First is Miss Prachi, and she really did a great job. She tried to show everything in in her poster by showing everything what all things impacted actually a human life. And we have a second winner. The name of second winner is Mr. Mahesh, and he also did a great job by showing his poster and dividing his poster in three different aspects in which the human life is actually being affected. So we are here to now I request Mr. Vishwas Chandra sir, Deputy HOD, to please give a vote of thanks.
Thank you, Rupali ma'am, and thank you, HOD sir. Good morning, all. It's an honor to have been asked to offer a vote of thanks on the occasion of the major activity, that is poster presentation in IT department, IMT College of Engineering, Greater Noida. On the behalf of my college and the entire group, I am very heartily gratitude to our honorable MD sir, respected director sir, and respected deputy director sir, and respected HOD sir. It has been our duty to host all the member and the audience of the meeting. I'm thankful to all the participants of. We have been fortunate to have the reunion identity of the academic and the other area. I'm very thankful to entire participants as well as the team member of this major activity. I'm sure that our college will continue to get significant provision from the diverse group in the future also. It takes the credence to thank the entire committee as well as the participants for the representing their valuable views. I must remark professional sense of the gratefulness to all of our judges and jury for sharing with us some of the finest management practice. All the participants of this event are all inspired by our highly sparkling words. It is not possible to thank everyone for such as appreciating involvement and the willingness they have the express to finish the task. So I can thank to again our honorable MD sir, respected director sir, respected deputy director sir, respective HOD sir, and the entire team of that team members for the taking the initiative of hosting the great thanks to the member of the meeting. Thank you all.
Thank you, Biswas sir. Thank you to everyone.
Sir, stop.
Yes, I think now we should stop.
Thanks, sir. You just stop the recording.
Okay, thank you.